This is Wish to Creations NEET MCQs. Today we have discussed about the MCQ of taxonomical aids. Already we know about taxonomical aids and what are the features are there and what are the classifications are there, and now we discuss about the questions. Question number 1. Which taxonomical aid stores dried and pressed plant specimens? Options: A. Botanical garden, B. Museum, C. Herbarium, D. Zoological park. The correct answer is answer C, herbarium, because herbarium contains dried plant specimens mounted on seeds. The second question, the standard size of a herbarium sheet is option A 10 into 15 inches, B 11.5 into 16.5 inches, C 12 into 18 inches, D 15 into 20 inches. Correct answer is answer B 11.5 into 16.5 inches. Question number 3. A taxonomic key is mainly used for. Options are A. Preserving organism, B. Identifying organism, C. Growing plants, D. Protecting animals. The correct answer is answer B. Identifying organism. Question number 4. A pair of contrasting statements used in a taxonomic key is called. Options A. Lead, B. Couplet, C. Flora, D. Manual. The correct answer is answer B. Couplet. Question number 5. Each statement of a couplet is called. Options: Option A, lead, B, manual, C, flora, D, monograph. The correct answer is answer A, lead. Question number 6. Which taxonomical aid contains living plants for study and research? Options: A, herbarium, B, botanical garden, C, museum, D, flora. The correct answer is answer B, botanical garden. Question number 7. A botanical garden that contains only trees and shrubs is called. Options: A, flora, B, arboretum, C, herbarium, D, museum. The correct answer is answer B, arboretum. Question number 8. A flora contains information about. Options: A, animals of a region, B, plants of a region, C, fossil of a region, D, insects of a region. The correct answer is answer B, plant of a region. Question number 9. A monograph is. Options: A, study of many organisms, B, study of plants of a region, C, detailed study of one taxonomic group, D, identification key. The correct answer is C, detailed study of one taxonomic group. Question 10. A manual helps in. Options: A, identification of species in an area, B, studying fossils, C, preserving animals, D, growing plants. The correct answer is answer A, identification of species in an area. Question number 11. Animals kept in protected conditions for study and conservation are found in. Options: A, herbarium, B, zoological park, C, botanical park, D, flora. The correct answer is answer B, zoological park. Question number 12. The largest herbarium in India is. Options: A, Delhi Herbarium, B, Chennai Herbarium, C, Central National Herbarium, D, Kolkata Herbarium. The correct answer is answer C, Central National Herbarium. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Share, like and subscribe my channel.